This is part 6 of AngularJS tutorial. In this video we will discuss about ng-src directive in AngularJS. What is ng-src directive? AngularJS ng-src directive is used to set the value of attribute src on image element. The ng-src directive is used to solve the problem where original src attribute does not work properly. So ng-src directive is used and it overrides the original src attribute of an image element. The ng-src directive should be used instead of src when you have AngularJS code inside the src value. It ensures that the image is not displaying wrong before AngularJS code executed. Switch to Visual Studio. This is the last example that we have been working in this video series. To display an images in browser we need images. I have two images with me now. Let me copy these two images, male and female. Go to Visual Studio, create a folder with name images and paste it in this folder. These are the two images. Now I want to display male image in browser. For this I am going to use image tag, or we can simply drag and drop the image. Let me get rid of this. I am going to drag and drop this image tag here. Let me put one more break here, save the file, run the application. So we don't have any problem with src tag here. Let me check if any problem with this image. Right click on the browser, click on inspect, go to console tab. So we don't have any problem with this image. Go to Visual Studio, go to script file. Here I'm going to add one more value, gender image. Let me copy the string and paste it here. So here I'm added one more value, gender image. So I want to get the gender image from this object. Go to index.html. Let me remove the string. Now I'm getting the value from object, gender image. Let me save all files. Go to browser and refresh the page. Look at the console tab. It throws an 404 error, which means the image is not found. Why we get this error? Let me explain. When DOM initially loads, the HTML code will be executed. At the time of HTML code execution, the Angular code is not loaded into the DOM. You may get one doubt here. If Angular code is not executed, then how image tag src code rendered? Let me explain. After DOM is fully loaded, the Angular code will be executed. That's why image tag is rendered. Go to Visual Studio. Let's solve this problem. Instead of using src, replace with ng-src. Now let me save the file. Go to browser and refresh the page. Now the error is gone. So this is the correct way of writing ng-src directive when we are getting an object value from controller. Let me save the file. We can use functions also to get ng-src image value. Let me write a function to return gender image. $scope dot get gender equals, I'm writing a function here. I am passing gender as a parameter. If this gender double equals to male, then return this image, else return female image. I'm going to get rid this gender image value. I'm adding one more value, gender with male. Go to index.html. Instead of using this binding expression, use get gender function and pass parameter employee dot, what is the property name, gender. Now save the file, the script file. Also go to browser and refresh the page. So no changes in output. I can pass directly mail here in a string format. Let me save this, go to browser, refresh. So no changes in output. Let me check it is working properly or not. Remove this male, instead of male pass female, save this and refresh the page. Now we got female image, so this is working fine. This is the code block. This is the wrong way of writing src attribute, and this is the correct way of writing ng-src attribute. Thank you for listening.